Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a product that can help keep your kitchen running smoothly, the Frigidaire 24179823 Ice Maker Assembly Kit. We found this product online and added the link in the description, so you can check the latest price and availability. Now, let's talk about what this product is. The Frigidaire 24179823 Ice Maker Assembly Kit is a complete assembly designed to fit various Frigidaire refrigerators. If your ice maker is malfunctioning or simply not producing ice like it used to, this kit is the ideal solution for restoring your appliance's functionality. One of the standout features of this kit is its quality craftsmanship. Engineered by Frigidaire to meet exact specifications, this kit ensures optimal performance for your refrigerator, unlike non-genuine parts that may not offer the same reliability. This is crucial for maintaining the efficiency of your ice maker, so you can enjoy fresh, perfectly formed ice whenever you need it. Before you dive into the installation, it's important to note what tools you'll need. You'll require a 1/4 nut driver, gloves, and safety glasses to ensure a safe and effective installation process. It's highly recommended that this job is tackled by someone with DIY experience, as the repair skill level is marked for experienced DIYers. Knowing your way around appliance repairs will definitely make the process smoother. When considering whether this kit is right for you, it's essential to check your appliance user manual to confirm compatibility. This step is crucial to ensure that the Frigidaire 24179823 Ice Maker Assembly Kit will work with your specific refrigerator model. So, who is this product suitable for? If you're a handy homeowner or a DIY enthusiast looking to save some money on appliance repairs, this Ice Maker Assembly Kit is perfect for you. It's also a good option if you're frustrated with frequent ice shortages. This kit can help you get back to having a steady supply of ice for drinks, parties, or everyday use. In practical use cases, think about those hot summer days when you're entertaining friends or family. Having a functional ice maker means you can easily whip up refreshing drinks without the hassle of running to the store for ice. Plus, if you have kids who love cold beverages or slushies, getting this kit installed can put you back in control of ice production right at home. In summary, the Frigidaire 24179823 Ice Maker Assembly Kit is a reliable and well-crafted solution for anyone experiencing ice maker issues. With the right tools and a bit of DIY know-how, you can confidently repair your appliance using genuine Frigidaire parts. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.